It's a rainy day. The sky is gray. Soft raindrops fall on the window. The sound is gentle and peaceful. I wake up slowly. It's 7:30 a.m. I hear the rain outside and smile. I love rainy mornings. I get out of bed and walk to the kitchen. I boil water and make a hot cup of tea. I sit by the window and hold the warm mug. The tea smells nice. The rain keeps falling quietly. A calm morning. Today is a quiet day. I don't have to go outside, so I stay home and enjoy the calm. After tea, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. Then I change into soft clothes, just a sweater and pants. I feel warm and comfortable. For breakfast, I make oatmeal with milk and bananas. I sit at the table and eat slowly. Outside, I see people walking with umbrellas. Some wear raincoats. Some run to stay dry. After breakfast, I light a small candle. The room feels cozy. I sit at my desk and open a book. Time. I decide to study English today. I start with a short story. I read one page, then stop to repeat the sentences. I say each sentence out loud. I try to speak clearly and slowly. I write their meanings and make example sentences. This is my favorite way to learn. Then, I listen to a short English podcast. I close my eyes and focus on the words. I hear simple phrases and practice repeating them. Learning on a rainy day feels peaceful. The sound of rain helps me concentrate. Afternoon. At 12:30 p.m., I make lunch. Today, I cook noodles with vegetables. It's warm and delicious. Perfect for a rainy day. After lunch, I clean the kitchen. Then, I sit on the couch with a soft blanket. I rest for a while. I don't sleep, just relax and listen to the rain. Later, I draw in my notebook. I make small sketches of my room, my tea mug, and the window. Drawing is fun and helps me feel calm. Evening. At 5 p.m., the rain becomes heavy. The sky is darker now. I turn on the lights and light another candle. I decide to bake something simple, maybe cookies. I mix flour, sugar, butter, and chocolate chips. The oven makes the room warm. Soon, the smell of cookies fills the air. I eat one cookie with milk and smile. Rainy days are slow and beautiful. Night. At 8:30 p.m., I start my night routine. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and wear my pajamas. Then, I sit in bed and open my journal. I write about my day in English. I use simple sentences. Like, today was rainy. I stayed home. I studied and made cookies. Writing helps me remember. It also helps me feel thankful. At 10 p.m., I turn off the light. The rain is still falling outside. I listen to it as I fall asleep. It was a quiet, simple, beautiful day. This was a rainy day in my life. A day to rest, learn, and enjoy the small things. Now it's your turn. Try writing your own story about a rainy day. Or just speak a few sentences in English. Every little bit helps you grow. Read slowly. Speak clearly. Enjoy the learning journey. See you in the next story.